reports of fresh violence along the Assam-Mizoram border. We are being told that miscreants carried out a high-intensity blast inside Assam territory in Hailakandi district of Assam. So is it back to square one in Hailakandi? The dispute is raging once again between Assam and Mizoram. We all know the violent past. Not too far ago, forces from both the states clashed with each other, leading to loss of life. The Union Home Ministry had stepped in, summoned leaders from both states. They came to Delhi, had 2 rounds of talks, promised and said, we will sort out our differences amicably. But that is not the case. Reports of fresh violence along the Assam-Mizoram border, and one Mizoram personnel has been arrested by the Assam police from where this high-intensity blast took place. The information that we have suggests that this happened around 1:45 in the morning. There was a high explosive blast using detonating cord. This happened near Hailakandi. Arindam now joining us for more on this. Yes, Arindam.
Yes, there are some fresh incidents of violence that have been reported from Assam-Mizoram border, and this has happened in Hailakandi district of Assam, where some Mizo miscreants carried out a high-intensity blast along Assam-Mizoram border near an Assam police border outpost. This has come from Kochutol area. According to sources, a construction work was carried out by Mizoram side in that area, and yesterday morning at around 1:45 a.m. there was a report of high intensity blast in that area, and following this incident, the Assam police personnel cordoned that area, and in the meantime they have found one person suspiciously moving around in that area, and that person was taken into custody. When he was interrogated, he revealed that he was a personnel of IRBN of Mizoram. So this person has been forwarded to judicial custody right now, and an investigation is on.
We just hope that the violence does not escalate and the trouble does not mount. Thank you for joining us with your update.